Hello everyone, Hatem for Objection back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you the most strongest power bank in 2019. This is called ANKER. ANKER Istanbul, Turkey. It's called ANKER, okay? This power bank, it's supported by Apple, by iPhone. You know why? Because when you open apple.com, you go to accessories, you find this, they put this brand in them sites as power bank, as them accessories, which is mean it's nice kind, and which is mean it's a real milliampere battery, and like this. This one, it's 26,800 milliampere, which is mean, oh my god, you can charge your phone almost 10 times and 2 times faster than normal one. This is of course Chinese one, because even iPhone is Chinese. See here, they write for you charging iPhone, iPad, Android, but they write iPad and iPhone first because they pimp for iPhone company. And here they say for you that is charging for three places. Yeah, this one, what you will see with me now, we will not see it in anywhere else. This is have 3 USB cable. As you see here, they say power IQ, full voltage boost, and multi protection. Okay, let's show you the. Here we have the card. Okay, I'm gonna show you something, guys. Now we explain for you what's the relation between this power bank and the iPhone 11 Pro and how you're gonna do. Okay. When you open here, you find that have 2 cables. Okay, 2 cables. It's not Type C. It's normal, as you see here. I'll explain you why. Oh, I have beautiful here. Wow, it's protection for him. Okay. I explain. Let's move this away. First of all, this is the power here, as you see, until 4. To charge this one full complete, you need 4 hours, okay? Here I have 3 USB for out and 2 for in, well, which is mean, you know, guys, the cool thing that I can charge this power bank 2 times faster. How? I will connect the USB here, and I will connect USB here, and I will put them in USB charger to charge this power bank. I will tell you now, complicated system a little bit, but you have to open your brain to understand. Okay, now this is in case this is in, not out. This is, for example, I need to charge the power bank. You can charge by 1 cable, you can charge by 2 for more fast, because if you charge by 1 cable, you need 5 hours. If you want to charge by 2, you need 1 hour. Okay, so let's move this also step away. Here, as you see, they say that, I don't know, yeah, here, 26,800, made in China, blah, 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 etc, everything is okay. This is really, really heavy power bank, you got me? It's almost, I guess it's almost 800 gram or 900 gram, I guess, or even 1 kilo. Okay, let's talk about something important here. Now I want to charge, look, if you have iPhone 11 or 11 Pro or whatever, from 11 and go up, this is the charger for iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. They changed it to Type C, which is mean you cannot charge your phone. This is the cable. Now, wait, sorry. The cable that came with the charger, okay, you cannot charge your phone with it. For example, how? Now, you would put the Type C here. Okay, now how to charge your iPhone 11? You don't have way. The cable is not USB. Where is the, I want to show you. Yes, it's, no, this is the USB. Yeah, here. Here, if you see, this is the cable for iPhone 11. Okay, now where I'm gonna put this Type C? There is no way here. And here, this is, you will put it, the lightning, you put it in iPhone, but here you don't have place to put it. So here you have problem. What is the solution for this that I discover? I will charge by the cable for the cable for the AirPods. This is what I discovered. And now I'll put the cable for AirPods here, and and I will charge the for example, I can charge my earbuds. This is my earbuds 2 with wireless charging case. See, I can charge it here. Now it's charging. Okay, which is mean, guys, if you are traveling and you would charge this power bank complete full, you don't need to take a charger with you at all. You don't need this. If you go travel for 1 day and back, you have 26, you can charge your phone, your earbuds, let's say now you have, this is Apple Watch, okay, this is Series 5. This is, let's say this is now, I need to charge, okay? I can put also here. And charge the watch. See? So now I'm charging also the watch. And now I can charge the iPhone, which is the only solution that to charge your iPhone, you have to do the same cable for lightning, because you can't charge your iPhone. You can't charge your iPhone with this cable that came with iPhone. So you will need to do, this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, my beautiful gold color. You put out from here and you will charge here. As you see, it's charging. So now I have 3 USB, which is mean I can charge 3. Do you know, guys, that you can charge even tablet or laptop from this charger? He's so strong power bank. You can charge even laptop, or you can charge anything you want, or tablet. You can charge any 3 devices in the same time. Okay, so now this is the point about how you will do for the to charge all your stuff. Too bad that this is type C and you don't have any other choice. So guys, this was the review about this power bank. I advise you to buy, and I'll tell you something. Don't believe this Chinese power banks that, like, I don't know what is this company's, Tetris Moss, or I don't know what, or Thermo King, or I don't know what is this, and T-Trust, or I don't know, it's a lot of bullshit. They are not real milliampere, you know. I found power bank 30,000 milliampere, 40,000, even this one's not 30,000, and they are right, 30,000 milliampere. All this fake, all is not real. This is the only one that is really 26,800. I mean, this one is real. Don't believe any power bank. And I want to tell you something. The fake power bank may damage your phone battery. You have to know that. Fake cable also may damage your power battery. Don't buy fake cables. Don't buy this fake cables that, for example, I will show you. See, this is fake cable, okay? This is lightning here, and this is USB. These fake cables will damage your battery and will damage your phone. This garbage qualities, don't you ever buy it. Stick with original. Since you bought iPhone and you have money to buy iPhone Pro, so stay with original. Don't buy this trash, okay? This shit will fuck your phone. So this is what I discovered, you know. And now I want to tell you something. Since you have Apple Watch Series 4 or 5, if you have charger, you can use it for charging your power bank. So you don't need to buy any charger. See? Connect. And now you can charge your power bank. Here. So you can charge your power bank. So this is the point here about how to do about this ANKER power bank, and this is the best power bank that you can buy it from market at the moment. Some people may ask him about the Huawei, the power bank, the latest one, that 40 watt. It's nice, it's not bad also, but it's have one USB only. The power bank that is have one only USB, doesn't have two, so which is mean I cannot charge this one. I will take it with me, and I will take just cables, and I will charge all my devices while I travel. Even this is for 1.5 days. You can stay charging your phone day and night, and use your phone day and night, and watch and earbuds. So guys, this was my video about the power bank. And my advice for you, don't hesitate to buy it. Yeah, it's a little bit really heavy, but it's the real solution. You know guys, it's like metal, see? Here, I feel it's like metal. But it's really great. So thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you again with Hatem for Objection, with the newest, as we will always never promise you, as we will promise you sure. And peace and love for everyone with the new video. See you soon, and hope love and money for every one of my viewers. Only my viewers, we got love and money. And don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up or down as you wish, it's up to you. And see you again later, alligator.